Hello, first of all, good morning to all of you. Mm, Respected seniors and my dear friends, my name is Anshul Shrestha, and as you all know that we are gathered here to discuss the webinar over how we can improve our skills at the quarantine period, presented by EE department. So I am gonna present in front of you all the ways through which we can enhance our skills. So yeah, next slide. Mhm. So now at first some of us has a doubt that why this webinar is happening or what does it need. So for them, due to the pandemic conditions, every people of the nation has to stay at home from having himself coronavirus disease. So everyone have plenty of free time which they waste over watching TV or in doing other useless things. And this will block their mindset and thinking level. The only motive of this webinar is to make them aware that they can achieve their required skills in their free time by giving them the ideas will through which will help them in future. This webinar gonna them ideas through which they can acquire their respective skills in any desired field. But yeah, next slide. Hmm. Opportunities. People have lots of opportunity through which they can enhance their desired skills. There are many platforms available on the internet which are very effective. So I am gonna give you the brief description of the ideas one by one. Next skill. Next slide. Hmm. Here we have YouTube. We all know what YouTube is. It is that application which have lots of information available on it. You can easily find your interest on YouTube. And also if any person feels that he has any special skill and he wants to share it with others, then this platform allows that user to make online money from making video tutorials. You can YouTube any type of information in any field related to your interest. Hmm. Next slide. Hmm. Blogging. So most of the people doesn't know about what blog is. So as I have written that the blog is an online journal, just like it is just like an article which is written by the writer or group of writers on the internet. This platform is basically for those people who really want to enhance their writing skills. We can also make money through our blogs as it gives AdSense and the affiliate marketing to users. Next slide. Now we have music and dance. uh, as music is the one element which is very helpful in health conditions, in maintaining the health conditions of the people. And most of the people want to learn music and dance, but as they didn't have the plenty of time and plenty of free time to do practice, so now the people have free time which they waste their time in watching TV or playing games and doing such useless things which block their mindset. So here's the music which can uh, enhance their skills, and now they can learn these things online. And yes, this slide is complete. Next slide.
Okay.
Hmm. So in this slide, I will tell you about ebook. Through this, we can able to read every book available on the internet, as reading is very necessary mental exercise for our brain. We can read any type of book. It may be a storytelling, fiction, novel, or any other matter or any other kind. It doesn't matter that what the book is. So soft skills, some people really cope with their soft skills and they really wanted to enhance this ability, as it is very important in today's world. To get really success, you must have the soft skills. So for every this is very important to communicate, as well as for better relationship with others. It contains healthy mindset, positive thinking, and no, all we can say that is a healthy common sense which really people must have to. cope with the cope with the nation. Next slide. Hmm. So in this slide, I will tell you about the online education. Uh, Online education, we were getting very much familiar with it in recent days, and it is in great demand in the youth as it provides us the facility of anytime, anywhere study. So, follow your passion means learn that thing which we really want to learn, from a computer basic to an computer basic to an IIT coaching. You can easily find them on the platform like Udemy, an Academy, and Byju's. These are the some well-known applications available on the internet. So this is the last slide, and I have covered all the possible ways through which we can enhance our. That is, it's an opportunity for you. Grab it before it ends. It means that the lockdown period is an opportunity for all the people who really want to enhance their skills. So this is the right time for you. Please grab it before the lockdown ends of time. Make you may not be able to find this type of time in your life again. So please use it in a good manner. And this is all from my side. If anyone want to ask a query, then you can ask now.